Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and if you are a regular viewer, you will know this video is going up a little late. I like to have my videos published at 8 a.m. Most of the time when I'm publishing a video, but today it's going up whenever it goes up because of the situation with all of the mail coming late, with the mail carriers and systems being overwhelmed. This package was supposed to get here over the weekend, but it just got here today, the day that I would have liked to upload the video, the day that I'm going to upload the video late. And I'm not complaining because you know what, they're trying their hardest. They're processing a ton of mail. It is a lot of work. So that is just why this is a late video today. But let's go ahead and open up my Kinder Beauty box for December. I'm excited to see what we're getting this month. So here is our card, and I'm not gonna lie, the card looks a little bit fall. It's got acorns and leaves on it, so that's kind of strange. Maybe they just bought too many of these. And it looks like we're getting 6 products, although I guess one of them is like a twofer. Is that right? Yeah, 6. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll start with the 2-for-1, and it is 2 brushes. So these are from Kinder Beauty. They're not like a specific brush brand. So it doesn't say any specific name on them besides Kinder Beauty, so there's no labeling. They're both very soft. They look like they are meant to be eye brushes. So let's go ahead and read about them. Kinder Beauty 2 eyeshadow brush set. Says the value is $20. This eyeshadow brush duo is compiled of 1 shader brush and 1 blender brush. With these 2 next level brushes, you can master any look, from the perfect minimalist look to a celebrity glittery eye look to ring in the new year. 2 is better than 1. So that's pretty cool. We got 2 new brushes. The next item in the box that I'm just grabbing off the top, I don't even see on our card here, so this must just be a freebie. This is the Weleda Awakening Serum. Here's the picture of that. And it's got fragrance, limonene, linalool, stuff that's not good for your skin, or at least that I prefer not to put on my skin, so I'll probably send this to a friend to see if it's something they would be interested in. I'm not going to be using that. Let's see, next in the box, it looks like this is going to be an eyeshadow. This is from IBY Beauty, or Ibby Beauty, the City Limits Lush Eyeshadow. The box packaging is really cute. Really like that. And I can't get it out. It is really securely wedged in there. Let's see if I can get some of the packaging out so it'll slip out. There we go. So it is a teeny tiny single eyeshadow in this little black container with the Ibby on the front in rose gold. And it looks like I have gotten the shade Dance Party, which seems to be kind of a charcoal tone. And my camera does not want to focus. There we go. Let's go ahead and swatch it. It's the pinch less dark swatched, but still really dark charcoal tone. So let's see. Ibby Beauty single eyeshadow. You are going to get the color Dance Party or Backstage. Now I wonder what Backstage looks like, because the one pictured here is definitely the one that I got. Attention busy people. This is the product you've been waiting for. It's ideal for when you just want that one perfect shade of eyeshadow. I have to disagree there. I don't think this would be a very good one shadow look. I think it's a little much for that. Ibby Beauty single shade eyeshadows are ideal for spicing up your collection for your everyday needs. The compact size is comfortable for touch-ups during the day and perfect for your travel bag. I don't know that you would touch up your eyeshadow with something this dark unless you're changing it into a whole other look, but whatever. It says it retails for $6, which is a really nice price actually, I think. So I don't know if this is one I'm gonna keep. I might also pass this on to a friend. I don't see myself using this color very frequently, but it is pretty and it's got a really nice sheen to it. The next item we have here is K-Voss, and I actually have my K-Voss lip treatment thing right next to me. It's the lip balm that I like to keep at my work desk here at my home office, and I really like that product. So let's see if we'll like this one. It's the Perfecting Potion Illuminating Primer. So I love a good primer. I'm in the middle of the Pacifica one right now. But then I guess I'll use this one after. So let's see if it's illuminating. Let's see if it really is like shimmery. It's subtle. You're not going to be able to see it on my hand. I did put it on this bottom part. You are not going to be able to see that at all because it is very subtle. But it does give a very slight illumination. It's actually very lovely for someone like me that prefers more of a basic or natural or classic type look. This would be a really good product. I'm very excited to try this. Let me read you the little description real quick. K-Voss NYC Perfecting Potion retails for $28. Punch up your natural healthy glow with this velvety multi-use illuminating primer. This lightweight illuminating vegan cream highlight. So it's saying it's a highlighter and then it's saying it's a primer. Make up your mind. Highlighter has a glow-infused base for a universally flattering warmed up shade. I wouldn't say that's warm at all. It reflects kind of cool to me personally. The breathable ultra thin formula, I agree with that. It does feel very thin. The breathable ultra thin formula naturally adjusts to your unique skin tone, delivering vitamin-rich moisture for a hydrated, dewy finish. Expect a perfected sheen that's never dry, never glittery, and won't clog your pores, turn cakey, or cover you up. Apply 1 to 2 squeezes directly into the complexion or under. Okay. The copy gets a little confusing here. It's not very grammatically correct, but basically it says use it as a highlighter over your foundation or under your foundation as an overall thing. So I'm excited for this. I think I'm actually going to really like that product. The next item we have here is from Save More Than Natural Skincare. I guess that's the brand name. It is their anti-pollution sleeping mask. So I guess more like a hydrating nighttime moisturizer. So this retails for $23. Save's anti-pollution sleeping mask is a nighttime hydrating and strengthening compress that prevents early aging. We love that. It reduces the visibility of damaging environmental factors such as pollutant, UV, and blue light. Highly hydrating, the mask gently removes dead skin cells so that you can wake up with smoother, healthier, and younger skin. So it's supposed to be moisturizing and exfoliating, it sounds like. So let's look at these ingredients right quick. Honestly, just from a quick glance, it does not look like there's anything bad in here, so I'll probably be using this. Exciting to get a product that I can actually try. I've been getting super picky with what I will actually put on my face. I've been relegating a lot of products to the add to lotion or use as a hand cream pile because I'm getting more and more selective about what I like to put on my face just for the sake of the best results. So I'm excited to get something that I'm actually willing to try out. And there's one last item in this box. This box felt like it had all these extra fun things for Christmas, it seemed. So this is the Dirty Lamb Mint Coffee Scrub. You know I love anything coffee scented. And it looks like there are straight coffee granules in there. Let's see. It says it retails for $30. Dirty Lamb Coffee Scrub is best used in a steamy shower. With your fingertips, gently massage this onto your body and leave on for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Our minty scrub will leave you feeling refreshed and energized. Rinse it off with warm water and reveal the softest skin yet. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay. So this is like straight coffee granules in there. What is the ingredients here? So coffee ground or ground coffee, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, dried mint leaves, and peppermint oil. So you know I love a coffee product, but how is that worth $30? Just saying. These are easy ingredients to have on hand. You could make this yourself. But also I'm going to use it. I know I'm going to love it because I love coffee stuff. But this isn't something I'd buy myself because it seems to me you could take your used coffee grounds and add all of these things. Honestly, except for the dried mint leaves, which I could easily purchase at the grocery store, I already have all of these items in my house. I could make this myself. So, very exciting because it's something I'll use, but also definitely not something I'd ever repurchase because it's something I could easily make. So let's go ahead and review this box in total, because even though we got a lot of stuff in here, which is very exciting, it's a little hit or miss. This, very excited to try. This, excited to use, although I'd never buy it. Always fun when you get brushes. You can never have too many brushes, especially if you're like me and you procrastinate washing your brushes and you just grab new ones instead. Admit it, you do it too. This eyeshadow is really pretty, but I'm probably not going to use it. This freebie, definitely not going to use, passing that on to a friend. And this I'm actually really excited for. I think this is going to be a gorgeous primer. So let's see. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2 on the side. Although I guess you can count this as 5. So mostly I really liked the box. I think this is going to be fun stuff to use. And I'm really happy that I actually got a face product that I'm comfortable using in one of these boxes. So overall, Kinder Beauty box, December box. I'm happy with it. I think it was a really fun box. Even the things, well, this I'm not all that jazzed about because the ingredients are a little sketch. But this eyeshadow is beautiful and I love the packaging, and I think someone would love this if you are more adventurous in the eyeshadow realm. I'm just not that adventurous, but I know a friend will enjoy that. So anyway, the value of this box was terrific. So many high-priced items, and I'm really happy with this box overall. I think this Kinder Beauty box was a success. So if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And as always, I'm going to link to things I am wearing in the description box down below, and I'm potentially thinking about putting this dress on Poshmark if you are interested. I think it's a smaller medium, but it's just a really cute festive poinsettia and snowflake dress with this cute shoulder. But that is beside the point. We'll see if I actually end up listing it. I'm so bad about listing things in a timely fashion. Anyway, I'll talk to you all later. Bye!